wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I make my bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I take shower. I take shower. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I dress up. I dress up. I go to school. I go to school. I read my lessons. I read my lessons. I have lunch with my friend. I have lunch with my friend. I take my lectures. I take my lectures. I come back from school. I come back from school. I do my homework. I do my homework. I help to my siblings in homework. I help to my siblings in homework. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I take shower again. I take shower again. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I watch cartoon with my parents. I watch cartoon with my parents. I go to bed at 8:00 p.m. I go to bed at 8:00 p.m.